Video na gago. Sino kay Dong? Wala ka kasi pat sa mga panuway ni ini. Yung mga lapris sa mga labad sa mga yung panuway kayo. Hoy!
Sir, silaw mo na.
Titilaw.
Wala.
This is the place that we'll never forget anymore. You know why? Because there's something happened here that never you forget. Well, this is Carla Earth.
Yeah, it was really one of the most unforgettable experience
Yes.
here in Tagdangwa. Okay, as you see, there's so beautiful places here.
Water. House of Jefferson.
House of Jefferson. Where's Jefferson anyway?
Jefferson is not here around. He is in the middle of the sea.
Middle of the sea. Yeah.
You see that place, the forest, the house of Arturo.
That is the house of Arturo. Arturo!
Arturo is the one of the most queen of the monkeys.
Yeah. Okay, but Jonji, what can you say about the place here in Tagdangwa? So, may I have some thoughts from you? Actually, Jonji is one of the most one of those businessmen who are here. He oftentimes do some sales talk to some of our dancers for him to be able to have some income, for him to be able to have some money for his everyday for him survival. So as you see.